How to draw a squishmallow dinosaur, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. So for the first step in making our squishmallow dinosaur today, we're going to begin by making one big circle. It will look similar to an egg-like shape. Now if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day. Also, stick around until the end because we're going to color our drawing together. Nice job! Next up, at the bottom of the circle that we just made, we're going to make a big upside down U. This will be the stomach of our dinosaur. Nice job! Next, we're going to move slightly to the right and we're going to begin to make the tail of our squishmallow dinosaur. Now on the very top of the head, we're going to begin to add in spikes. Great job! Now let's move right below. We're going to begin to make the arms as well as eyes of our dinosaur. Each eye will look similar to a big period. Next up, in between the eyes that we just made, we're going to use a triangle-like shape to make the horn. Right below the horn, we're going to use one small U-like shape to make the mouth. Now last but not least, we're going to use two more triangle-like shapes to make the horns on the top of the head of our squishmallow dinosaur. This is how to draw a squishmallow dinosaur. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.